In today's video, we're going to take a very expensive Ecko Unltd, that's ECKO, designer hoodie of absolutely top-notch quality and tie-dye it, and you decide, did I rock it or did I ruin it? You be the judge. Come on in and check it out. So today we're going to take this incredible Ecko Unltd hoodie. I'm going to do a diamond emblem on the back and do some radiating around it. So I'm only doing the back half of the hoodie right now. Once we bind up our emblem, I'm just kind of getting some more fan folds so that we can get a few little radiating rings. And then I'm doing just a basic fan for the hoodie itself. Because it's very thick material, it's actually double material throughout. So there's not a lot of detail you're going to do on some of these sections. Then I just did kind of a loose scrunch for the front half and for the sleeves. And of course that scrunch part will top ice dye. So there's my emblem. Then we're going to have some radiating rings going out. Then we have our sleeves and they'll all be scrunched. So I started with new emerald green. Our lime pop, kingfisher blue, my favorite combination of chartreuse, palomino gold, and golden brown. And I tried to carry that across onto the other side. And then I put in some peacock blue, some more chartreuse and chocolate brown or golden brown. That's some lavender, a little bit of deep purple, a little lemon yellow, a little new emerald green, some more deep purple, some more chartreuse, palomino gold, peacock blue, red violet, lavender, and a whole lot of lemon yellow. Pop some ice on there. After a solid rinse, a wash in Synthropol in hot water, and then dry on permanent press. Give it an iron, and we'll come back with the final result. Ready to judge? Alright, so here we have the front of the hoodie. Actually, I was kind of concerned about what was going to happen with the section you see that looks kind of gray. That's actually the image of this rhino. That's his logo. So it actually came out pretty cool. I did not expect all that pink up around the shoulders. But again, you have to be the judge on this one. We'll give you a little closer look at one of the sections down in that rhino. The transitions of colors really went nice on this part. I was real kind of happy with that. And then of course we have the back of the hoodie that had the emblem. So here we are, your choice, your decision. Did I rock it or did I ruin it? I need you to let me know down in the comments section. You can email me at dyeversedesigns @yahoo.com. That's Dyeverse. Really love to hear what you guys think about this, because I have really mixed emotions about it. Part of me feels like it rocked, and part of me feels like it was ruined. So really counting on you guys to kind of give your input here. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I could really use it. I put in a lot of hours for you guys on these, and I'm not monetized, so any help you can give me be really appreciated. I am Dyeverse Designs, aka living for the better good of all, hoping you're doing the same.